Holy crap, guys. I'm just going to show you. We hosted our free live trading session. So again, the early start of my short was captured. 46, now 47. I think I'm going to hit $50,000 today. Sorry, excuse my language. Short selling this piece of crap company that was overinflated coin. Obviously, this thing has been pumping up. It's been extremely bullish. I have no intention of holding this position. I'm going to be closing it out actually quite soon. It's testing the previous support level. I wanted to see if we break below 173 or at least come back to retest it. As of right now, $46,000 on the day is what I'm up short selling this stock. Just for you guys that are newer, I trade with $500,000. This is not just like a $10,000 trade that made me $47,000. I'm not here to sugarcoat it. It's been numerous trades that I've taken on this as it's been selling off, but even the NASDAQ market is selling off. What an amazing day to be a bear. And it's on the last trading day of the year. As of right now, it looks like a handful of stocks. Tesla was kind of leading the pack with some selling pressure, but it looks like the rest is following as of right now. I want to be very, very careful with this. Again, if you are choosing to short sell, especially because you watched my live stream, I want to remind you, short selling is not for beginners. Technically, it comes at a greater form of risk than going long. And you have to understand, coin has been very, very bullish. So it looks like this might be an overreaction. And I'm just taking advantage of it. I'm here to step on the neck while I can of this, red day for coin, but it wouldn't really surprise me that if it finds its support maybe at the EMA, has been a very valid one, but that's at 170. So this is kind of why I'm still okay with holding this short position. And look at that. I want to see if I can hit $50,000. I was surprised when we hit 40 and it just keeps and keeps selling off. So we're really close. We're about $2,500 away, but I don't want to chase the dollar amount. How many times have you guys made the mistake of chasing the dollar amount and then you regret it because then it reverses, right? That's exactly what could happen right now. So I'm going to have to be very, very careful, very, very calculated. When in doubt, never be afraid to pull out. But what an amazing way to end 2023. And again, this is a great reminder that, this thing hasn't been selling off. So it's not that you can just short anything at any given time. It's when the opportunity truly presents itself. And we've been very bullish, but just like anything, when it becomes overbought, it tends to correct itself. And fortunately for me, that happened today. It's just, the stars are aligning today. Look at that, 48,100. Come on, let's see if we can get it. I want to see if we can get 50,000. The selling pressure began to follow. It really was when we broke below 184 that selling pressure really began to kick in. So I'm going to play it safe and I'm going to reduce my position. I know that not everyone would play it safe. Again, I need to be careful. I need to be cautious. Let's see. Okay. I think I'm going to let it rip a little bit. See if we can get closer to that 173. But wanted to keep you guys up to date. A lot of selling pressure going on with the overall market. Technically, it shouldn't be anything that surprised you based off of economic reports that were released. The Chicago PMI, there was nothing crazy that was released. It did come in a little bit lower than what was expected at 46.9%. There's no more other economic reports that are going to be released today. But again, just technically, market was overbought. You can't be surprised when people want to lock in profits and markets just begin to pull them back. And that just seems to be the case for overall markets today because we're seeing the NASDAQ market pull on back with QQQ. We're seeing SPY sell off. Even the Dow Jones, I think, is a little bit in the red today. So definitely can't be surprised with the selling pressure. And there goes $50,000. $50,000. Holy smokes. Buy to cover. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate you guys' time. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little video. I don't normally make videos like this. This is not an average day for me. This is a huge freaking day. It's a huge deal for me. And I'm super grateful to be ending the year like this. So again, I do trade live every single morning. This trade that I took that made me this money started during today's live session. Again, not every day is like this. I haven't had a huge day like this. I mean, if anything, the past 2 weeks for me have been very, very slow as market's just been very, very slow. So I took advantage of today's opportunity and I made it count, and I'm very grateful for it. So again, I do trade live every single morning. If you want to tune on in, great. It's the second link in the description down below. It's 50% off. I will never offer a bigger discount than that. And I would love to have you as a part of my team if you see it to be fit. You get to see me trade live every morning. You get access to the A to Z video lesson library, and you get access to the private group chat where if you ever have any questions as you're going through the course or you're watching my live sessions, you can ask me as you please. So learn more about it. Second link in the description down below. And let's kick off 2024 strong. I appreciate your time. Hope that earned a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.